In classical Pilates, we're always looking for the relationships between exercises. I remember it was kind of mind-blowing for me early on in my Pilates life when I learned that the frog is footwork, that it's the same thing. It was kind of mind-blowing to me. And of course, frog is press your legs out, bend your knees back in. Hip and knee extension, hip and knee flexion. Well, here's footwork, whether it be toes, arches, heels, or any other variation where you go out and in. And, well, where else could they be hidden? And, of course, it's in double leg stretch. Ooh, one-legged frog is in single leg stretch, but I got a sneaky one for you. What about short spine? So, check out short spine. Oh, hip and knee extension, and lift your pelvis over your ribs. Oh, hip and knee flexion. The frog is in there. The first part of the frog, and then the second part. So, I encourage you to keep looking for the relationships between your exercises, and don't forget the ones that are kind of hidden, like the frog. Enjoy!